Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my platform Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Friends, as you know, there are 80 to 90% developer. They want to learn LWC component. They want to expert in LWC. They have good experience in Salesforce development. They have knowledge about Apex class, batch class, schedule class, flow builder, admin, but they don't have knowledge about LWC. Due to lack of LWC experience, they miss lot of opportunity. If they sit in front of the interview panel asking admin part, trigger, flow builder, and also ask about LWC and REST API integration. If you know Apex class, admin part, flow builder, and you don't know LWC, it is very difficult to survive your company. It is very difficult to crack your interview because in the today market, LWC it is a very important part. Why important part? Let's suppose working on any of the cloud in Salesforce. LWC it is a use if you working on the sales cloud, service cloud, community cloud, marketing cloud, any of the cloud you working in Salesforce. Sometime you need create LWC component and display data in LWC component. If you want to display some different type of stylist in better UI, if you want to insert multiple object record through LWC component, it is not possible in simple admin part. Let's suppose you want to insert record, account, contact and opportunity on single button click. Normally from admin part it is not possible, but from the LWC you can do it easily. Similarly, if you want to display data from external data, let's suppose you working on the REST API integration, external system return lot of data and that data you want to display on the LWC component. So that time you need LWC. Friends, sometime you want to insert multiple record in single one button click. You can use database.insert. So using the database insert, you can insert multiple record on single button click. So friends, why use LWC? Sometime you working multiple project and insert data multiple object. Sometime want to display REST API integration data into LWC component. Fast performance, you can use LWC component. Better look and feel, you can use LWC component. Let's suppose interview panel asking the question how to pass data from child component to parent component. Write a custom event and dispatch event. If you don't know, it is very difficult to crack interview. So in this master class, I will teach you a step by step from beginning to advanced level. This master class not only for beginner level. If you are student, beginner, freshers, you are expert. If you let's suppose you working on a different domain, you have experience backend. Your backend experience is very good, but LWC it is not good. So if you want to learn step by step from beginning to advanced level of LWC component, you can join my master class. In this master class, I will teach you a step by step how to pass data from parent component to child component, how to pass data child component to parent component, when we use custom event, dispatch event, when we use PubSub model, when we use LMS, how does work platform event. There are so many things I will teach you. I will also cover external REST API integration. There are multiple type of the method in REST API integration like put, patch, delete, get. So how does work post method, how to use get method, how to use patch method, how to use put method. All of things I will cover in master class. Friends, in the master class, there are so many developer working different clouds. Maybe they have good experience. They have 6 year, 5 years experience in Salesforce development. But due to lack of the LWC experience, they miss lot of the opportunity. So they join master class. So learn LWC from a step by step. In my master class, I not cover theory. I always cover 100% practical because I know practical it is a mandatory. Practical is more important than theory. If you working on a lab project in office, your practical experience is matter. If you only theory knowledge, you can't deliver only theory. If you have practical knowledge, you can deliver any of the project. In my master class, there are so many developers joined. They have good experience in Salesforce. They working from multiple years, 5 years, 6 years. They deliver multiple projects as well. But sometimes project manager assign some tasks in LWC, they always stuck. Why? Why they are stuck? Because LWC not only backend. LWC it is a combination of backend and front end. Backend, that means you can create a class controller method, and that method to call into LWC component JavaScript, and JavaScript data passed to the HTML. And sometimes you need to create a CSS to design look and feel of the component. So friends, LWC it is a very important. During the interview panel, they will ask you write a function of LWC component because they want to know hands-on experience. They not only checking your answer, they want to judging you your experience level, your confidence level, your depth of the LWC component. Today market, any of the project you working, sometimes you need to create LWC component. Sometimes to display multiple data in LWC component. Let's suppose you're working on the REST API integration. REST API integration data stored into the wrapper class. A wrapper class variable passed to the LWC component to display the data from receiving external API into the Salesforce. So external REST API system return some data. That data you are stored into the wrapper class. That wrapper class variable calling into the LWC component to display the data. So friend, this is the advanced level of the LWC. So in the master class, I will teach you advanced level. Sometime interview panel ask you question, why use custom event and dispense event? Why use platform event? Why use platform event? If you don't have experience in LWC component, you will always stuck. Sometime interview panel ask you, how does work PubSub model and why you use PubSub model? When we use PubSub model, when we use LMS, so they want to know about your hands-on experience. If you don't have practical experience, you will always stuck. In fact, you have good experience in Salesforce. You know Flow Builder, you know Trigger, you know Batch, you know Schedule. You deliver multiple projects, but you don't have experience in LWC component. During the front of the interview panel, your mind will stuck because you don't have experience in LWC. LWC to the time it will matter. If you want to crack interview, if you want to grow your technical skills, this masterclass don't miss. Don't delay, don't late, don't forget to join my master class. I inviting to you to join my master class. You will learn so many things in this master class. I will cover basic to advanced level, not only fresher type. I will teach you how to create a form dynamically and how to validate dynamically, form, how to insert, update, delete, when we use decorator variable, when we use wire, when we use track, when we use API. I will teach you step by step. I will teach you each and everything step by step practically, not only theory. Because friends, I always believe practical, not theory. I know multiple developer. They working hard. They are humble person. They are good developer, but they always stuck in LWC. They don't know JavaScript. They don't know CSS. If you are assigning a small task to build a basic form, dynamically basic form, they are not able to create a basic form as well. In fact, they are multiple experience in Salesforce. Why? Because they have backend knowledge. They have backend knowledge, but they don't have front-end knowledge. LWC it is a combination front-end and backend. You should know backend as well as front-end. Multiple developer have multiple experience. but they don't have knowledge about LWC. So if you assign some task to create a basic form of LWC, they're not able to create proper. They alignment issue, they're not able to use how does work SLDS, Salesforce Lighting Design System. So if you working on the LWC component, SLDS, Salesforce Lighting Design System, you should know how does work padding, how does work margin, how does work around a space, how does work bottom a space, left a space, right a space, how to use multiple CSS class. So you know lighting design system in LWC component. So if you only backend knowledge, you don't have knowledge LWC, you don't have knowledge JavaScript, it is a very challenging task for you. Friends, every developers in the starting, they are beginners. But daily practice, if you keep practice every day, one day you will become champion. Some developer good experience in backend, but LWC become barrier to growth in career. I know many developer, they know in development, but LWC become barrier to growth in career. So friends, if you want to learn step by step from beginning to advanced level, LWC component, how does it work, why we use LWC to growth your career, you must register of my master class. In the description, you will get register link. Right now, click on the register link button and join the master class. Thank you for joining. I will see you in the master class. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you.